welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a product review. I needed a new computer, so I've been using the Surface Pro 4 from Microsoft. I've had it for ever since it came out, so it's been doing very well. So I wanted to upgrade, so I decided to go with the next iteration, which just came out. So it just came in the mail today. I'm excited. So I figured we'd do an unboxing, and then I'll give it some time to charge, and then get back in it and see how everything works out. It'll be new for me to use the Windows 11 that's on it, and I'll just kind of play around with it. So let me get the camera adjusted and we'll do the unboxing. Let's get to it. This one, let's see. It's pretty well wrapped with plastic. Let's see. Got a pull tab here. I think the eights did this too when I was looking at the reviews on them. So yeah, I was debating on whether or not to save a little bit of money and get the Pro 8 or go ahead and get the new one. Bear with me while I give this. But it would give me a chance to make a video, so excuse the plastic noise. Alright, we'll get to the keyboard here in a minute. Very tightly sealed. I got the black version. Well, I think it's called graphite. The other one that I had was silver. The Pro 4, I think it only came in silver. Anyway, nice covering over the screen. We will go over this in a minute, but anyway, you have the tablet. Looks like some documents. Try to keep everything in screen the best I can. It's like the charging cord. Now, the interesting thing about the charging cord is I'm kind of curious to see if these are the same as the previous model. Anyway, let's see. I'll check and see if there's anything else in here. Nope. Alright, that's it. So, let's get this out of the way. So, let's check out the power cord, which is pretty sure that's exactly what y'all wanted to see, is go straight for the power cord, because that's what everybody wants to see. Okay, you got that. Get that out of the way. Alright. Looks like most of the other ones, they look about the same. I'll have to check it out on my 4, because I like having extra ones laying around the house so I can move it around and still charge it. So double check, make sure this is books. Instruction manuals that most of us never read. That's why most of the stuff we get doesn't last. Okay, yeah, so again, I'm hoping I got this orientated right. Anyway, so yeah, this just goes over like the icons and the tablets and what the icons mean. So we'll look at that in a minute, or I'll look at that at a later time. And again, hopefully you can see this pretty well. So yeah, you got this nice cover on the top. You got your two lightning charge and your USB Type C ports, volume power, which is about the same, your mics, your cameras, your mics, and then you over here shows your charging port over here. So let's see what happens when we take this off. That sounds nice. Alright, so nice clean screen. It'll probably be a long time before it's this clean again. And you still have your connections for your keyboard. And let's see, let's flip it over. There goes my fingerprints all over the screen. Yeah. And then your point for your hard drive. I got this one with the 512. Yeah, 512 gigabyte. I think, yeah, gigabyte hard drive. So the one thing that kind of threw me off with the newer generations is they went away from having the SSD, the micro SSD slot, but they did add the extra USB. That's about it. USB ports. So this gives you a spot for a hard drive if you're going to have a hard drive. So now let's see. I don't want to turn it on just yet because I know I'm going to have to set everything out, up for these. I'm kind of anxious to see how things have changed over the years. Look at my reflection. That is a clean screen. So let's see. Yeah. So real quick, I can do a quick, not as extensive unboxing on the keyboard. I did go ahead and get a keyboard with a new pen. Or I don't know if it's the new one, but it's the one that was on the website that would work with it. So we'll find out. Paper noise, paper noise, paper noise. Sorry about that. Sure enough mess for me to clean up later. I opened it up wrong. So again, very well packaged. More fresh. And it seems to be pretty self-explanatory. You got your keyboard, with the new pen with the little pen slot for it. So that's what I'm kind of interested in. It was kind of aggravating trying to keep it the old pens without losing them or breaking them or bending them. But I don't use it that much, but maybe I'll start. Never know. So we got that. And another thing I do have that's going to be kind of a unboxing. Excuse me. I'm going to try this because I always complain I don't have a DVD player. And they don't come with DVD player, DVD CD drives or DVD drives, Blu-ray drives because they're so small. I figured I'd try since I'm getting the new computer. And it doesn't have a disc drive. I would try this LG Blu-ray writer. So I'm assuming that if it plays Blu-rays, it should play regular DVDs. So I have a bunch of DVDs that I don't get to watch because I don't have a disc player or a DVD player. So this is one of the other things I'm going to kind of test and see how it works with the new computer. Oh, there's a software disk. All right, there. You got your cord. It is a looks like it's an old USB. Let's see. Not the old, or not old, but the old. Yeah. What am I trying to say? One of the old micro USB cords. So you have, yeah, the old. Let's see if I can get it in here. We can see it. Where is my camera? All right, there we go. It's not, there we go. Yeah, it was there, but anyway. And then 2 USB ports here. I did buy some adapters to go from this USB to the Type-C. So that I do have that. And then again, pretty well packaged. So it's very lightweight, very small, or thin. We'll show in a minute. It's kind of hard to tell with the plastic on it. So, yeah. So it's, excuse my shaking. Very, or relatively slim. So that's good. I know whenever I've Googled or tried to find information about stuff, I end up hearing a lot of technical terms that I don't understand, or that really doesn't, help me. Like there's earbuds and they're talking about kilohertz and gigahertz and, does it play music? How well does it play music? How bad, they talk about battery life. So now there's like, which is another thing about the Surface Pro 9 that I want to check out is because they say it should have 19-hour battery life. So I'm going to check that out, see how that works. Just a squirrel moment there about that. So if you're looking for a bunch of like specs and technological terms, I'm probably not going to have it. But what I'll tell you is how it's working, how it works for what I do, and what I'm using it for. And another thing is how easy is it going to be to convert all my stuff from the other computer to this one. Knowing my luck, I'll probably make it harder than it needs to be, but that's just me. This is all kind of like my birthday present, so late birthday presents. But anyway, y'all have a great day. I'm gonna get this thing charged up and kind of start working with it, and hopefully soon I'll have more videos about how it's working, and also with the DVD player or the Blu-ray player, how it's working and if it's doing what I want it to do, and if it's not doing what I want it to do. God bless, be safe, do great things is the way it should have gone. So yeah, so if everything works out the way I wanted it to, I'll have some more videos up here for y'all. So until then, God bless, stay safe, do great things.